Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Kumar and I'm a student at Navgurukul. Today I am going to tell you about what is HTML and also I'm going to show a project that I made by using only HTML. So the HTML, what is HTML? HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It means what is the meaning of hypertext? Hypertext means whatever photo, video, document, text that contain a link to another document or text is called hypertext. And the next one is markup. What is markup? Markup language. What is markup language? In markup language, we are structuring the web page using a special symbol and tag like h1. We are using h1 for telling the browser that this is heading. That's how markup works. And let's move to the next point. Here you can see my project. Uh, this is my project, then the home page. Here you can we are starting from here, home.html. The name that show on the browser is home.html. Now here, welcome to my student home page. First you see the how the pages look like. After that I'm going to explaining the code. So here, from from here doc type to the body, we are basically we call that boilerplate. So I'm going to explain what is boilerplate. Here, doc type HTML, it means we uh, we are telling to the browser that this doc type is HTML5, the latest version of HTML. And here HTML lang en, it means HTML is using English language right now. And after that, the head section. In head section, whatever we are writing is not going to display on the web page. It is only for browser. The meta charset UTF-8 is a encoder that encode our code. Basically it encode our code that this is our code, and basically this one is encoding and display like this. So this is the work of UTF-8. We are using UTF-8 because it support all the languages and also the special symbols and emojis like this emojis and this all are supported by UTF-8. And it also support Hindi, English and other languages. If I write namaste and hello, it will display the hello and namaste on my web page. The next one is meta name viewport. Viewport is basically we are using for how our web page display to the others. And the content width device and width, it means that this line tell the browser that that whenever someone open that link, it adjust has width and device. It adjust has width according to his device. This is the simple meaning of content. And initial scale is 1.0. We are giving 1.0 initial scale because if we don't mention that, the uh, if someone open that our link, so the zoom may be zoom in and zoom out. That's why we are giving that initial scale 1.0. It means whenever the person open our web page in his device, the zoom ratio is always 100, so the web page is show them properly display. This is the head section, and now start the body from here. And here I already, this is the comment that I mentioned for myself, that I understand the code better. And now in the head section, header, this is the head section, and this is the header for writing the head section. Here I write the welcome to my profile, welcome to my student homepage. It mean, and also I write in h1 tag, it's mean the heading tag. And the heading is the most important, that's why I'm writing in h1. And also h1 is depend on the size of the text. If I use the h2, it if I use the h2, this if I use the h2, this this welcome to my student homepage, it little bit smaller than h1. It is h1 to h6. Now what we are using here, visit my page, visit my page. Here you can see visit my page, and home page, home home page and profile. If I click to the profile, it forward me to the profile page. But we here I am only explaining this one. And here I used nav. From here to here you can see the nav bar. Basically nav bar we are using for the, it is basically it is a kind of a container that we are using for uh, specify our content in a specific thing here. And also here you can see the here bullet point that it come by unorder list. Here you can see ul, it's mean unorder list. Here to here. And the list also you have to mention that our code is encrypted in the list section. Okay. And the next one is here you can, here you can see a horizontal line. This line is come from HR tag that we are used for a horizontal line. After here you can see that from here header to this header, opening tag to closing tag, this is the one part. And this is called, and this is the header section. Now the main contact section, here you can see the another comment that I write. And here I write the main for the main things of this page. And in h2, here you can see this is h1, and here you can see the h2. And you can also see the difference between their size. That's why this is the main head section, that's why I'm using h1. This is the h2. You I can we can say that this is the subheading, that's why I'm using h2. And in this you can also see a paragraph tag. Here the opening paragraph tag, and here the uh, closing tag, closing paragraph tag. Here I write the hey, hey there, I am Sunil Kumar, a passionate web developer who love turning ideas into interactive digital experience. I enjoy designing clean, modern website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I'm always learning new way to make them more dynamic and user friendly. Here you can see. Here you can see, and you are thinking why this section is yellow and also this one. So basically here I use the mark mark tag for marking that specific thing like my name, and also I use a tag, the strong tag for we are using strong tag for anything that is important if we want to show them. So that's why we are using strong tag for any important thing. So I think this one is important, that's why I highlight also. And this one I highlight that I enjoy designing clean modern website using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I just want to mark that thing that and also I want to highlight that thing, that's why I mark them. And that's thing and nothing else in that section. Let's move to the next one. Here H2, explore my section. Here you can see explore my section. Here you can see know about my education, hobby and goal, my profile. If I click here, it redirect to my profile. Here the code H2, explore my section H2, close opening tag, closing tag. Here now uh, know about my education, hobby and goals. Here I use a anchor tag href. This is we are using this for attaching any link or file. So if someone click here, so it redirect to the another, it redirect to profile section. And I use a strong tag because this is also important. And after that I use br tag two times. I why I use that tag, this is the reason. I need some gap, I want some gap between these. That's why I use two br line break, two line break tag for breaking that. And yeah, here you can see the gap between here explore my section, and here you see the gap. This is because of br tag. I also use here, you can see multiple time I use br tag for giving the space. And here is the anchor tag started, and here is the end tag of the uh, anchor tag. And now here you can also see what I am currently learning. This is the course section. I also previous I defined a what is the anchor tag. Basically we are using anchor tag href for link, and also for file or project, any for attaching any project. I use here strong courses, and the closing strong tag for because this is also important. And I want some, I want that the course text more visible and bold. I can use bold, but strong is also using strong we are using also for important, that's why I use that. If you want to if you want to bold that, you can use bold for bolting them. And now here you can see another two times beer tag that I use for gap between these, my course and my profile and course, this gap. And also here I use also two times. So here you can see, here two times beer line, beer for line break, and here also the beer for line break. And the last section here, check my academic achievement, anchor tag href, my link, my file link and file name basically, and a strong for bolding and a important text. And here we are line break for this gap. And the last section is footer. I also here give a chart, means horizontal line, here and here also. And the last is 2025 Sunil Kumar profile that I mention here in P1. And this is for today. Thank you for watching.